Hi everybody! Today we'll figure out how to deploy Simple ICO smart contract. Go to the main page of Smartz.io and click on the Login button. For authorization, unlock MetaMask wallet and then click on the Login with your Ethereum signature button. The MetaMask window appears. Press the Sign button to sign the transaction. Next, go to the store and select the Simple ICO. To create a contract, fill in the following fields. DApp name. This is the name of DApp, which you will see in the Smartz dashboard. Name of a token. It should be a human-friendly name consisting of characters, letters, digits, and spaces only. Token symbol or token ticker, consisting of 2 to 10 characters. Is token burnable? This checkbox points whether the token holders can burn their tokens. Start date. Specify ICO start date and time, that is, UTC time zone. End date. Specify ICO end date and time, that is, UTC time zone. Exchange rate. Point out how many tokens are issued in exchange for 1 ETH. Hard cap. The maximum amount in ETH raised through the ICO. Funds address. Specify an ETH address where all collected funds will be transferred after the end of the ICO. Click the Proceed button. The platform has generated the code for the smart contract. Click on the Deploy button. The MetaMask window appears, where we have to confirm the transaction. Press the Submit button. Now wait a bit until the transaction is mined and included in the blockchain. Excellent! Our smart contract has been sent to the network successfully. In the description, we can see a link to the transaction on the Ethereum network. After a while, the transaction will be confirmed and we will see a link to the contract in Etherscan and a link to the Smartz dashboard where we can manage the contract. Thank you for your attention. Till next time.